Here's why using Camtasia can increase your affiliate checks. Since there are already lots of people getting into affiliate marketing, it is no wonder that the competition is getting stiff. The challenge is to try and outdo other affiliates and think of ways to be able to attain this. There are also many tips and techniques being taught to these affiliates in order to best plan their strategy for their program to work effectively so that more earnings will be achieved. What better way to wow your prospects and customers than to record and publish top-notch, full-motion and streaming screen-captured videos? Nothing like feeling your hard work getting paid by having your customers jumping up excitedly in great anticipation to buy your product right there and then. This is Camtasia in action. It is a proven fact, giving your customers something they can actually see can explode your online sales instantly. You do not need to have trainings and education to be able to know how this system can work for your affiliate program. Anyone can create stunning videos, from multimedia tutorials and step-by-step presentations available online. The process is like having your customers seated next to you and looking at your desktop, as you show them the things they need to see and hear. All this done step by step. For those who does not know it yet, how does Camtasia works? 1. It can record your desktop activity in a single click. No need to have to save and compile all your files because it is recorded right there and then. 2. Can easily convert your videos into web pages. Once converted, you can have your customers visiting that certain page. Videos are easier to understand and take in, unlike reading texts, which oftentimes is a trying thing to do. 3. Upload your pages. Publish them through blogs, RSS feed and podcasts. You may want your Camtasia videos to get around and reach out to other people that may be potential customers in the future. Nothing like being visible in many sites and pages to advertise yourself and get your message through. There are other things you can do with your affiliate program using Camtasia. You can create stunning multimedia presentations that are proven to increase sales because all the senses are engaged. This also has the tendency to reduce skepticism among hard-to-please customers. Reduce refunds and other customer issues by demonstrating visually how to use your product and how to do it properly. Complaints will also be minimized because all the facts and the presentation are there for the customers to just see and hear about. Promote affiliate products and services using visual presentations. This is an effective way of redirecting your viewers straight to your affiliate website after they are finished with the video. Make the most of the presentation by putting your site location in the end and make them go there directly if they want more information. Multiply your online auction bids exponentially and you give your readers a feel of what you have to offer. Based from reports, auctions that includes pictures increases bidding percentage by 400%. Imagine how much higher it will be if it were videos. Publish valuable info products that you can sell for a much higher price. It will be all worth the price because of the full-colored graphics menu and templates that you will be using. Minimize miscommunication with your customers. Instantly showing them what you want they wanted in the first place is making them understand clearly the essence of your affiliate program. The good thing about multimedia is, nothing much can go wrong. It is there already. These are just some of the things you can do with Camtasia that can be very helpful in your chosen affiliate program. Note that the main purpose of using Camtasia is to boost the income that is generated from your affiliate program. Although it can be used for entertainment and enjoyment purposes, which is not really a valid reason why you choose to get all through that trouble. Try to focus on the goal that you have set upon yourself to and achieve that with the use of the things that may be quite a lot of help in increasing your earnings.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at alsapur.info/webinar.